Why is Daddy working?
He can get money for food.
Oh. Get money for food?
And for drinks.
And for drinks. Shush! Slow down now, slow down now. She can't walk as fast as you, ate. Slow down. There you go. Let her go. She can walk now by herself. Come on. Oh, yes!
If I clean with you, we would do it easier and it would be quicker.
Oh. Narinig niyo yan, guys. Pagtutulungan daw niya ako na maglinis, mas mabilis daw tapos mas madali. Thank you, sweetheart. That's really sweet. Love you.
I mean, I love you. Is Lola Filma watching?
Yes. For sure. That's for sure. You say hi, Lola Vilma?
Hi, Lola Filma.
What's your message for Lola Vilma?
Dear love, we're coming to the Philippines soon. And I'm so excited
Aww. So excited?
to see Kaka. And I made some present for her.
Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to...
Our channel.
It's currently 11:36 ng umaga and today is...
On Wednesday.
No.
Friday.
No.
Thursday.
Today is Thursday and kakapark lang namin dito sa Sunnybank Market Square. So, since walang school si Ate Paris today, nag-message ako sa pinsan ko na si Joy, guys. Like, it's parang nangyayari na to every Thursday now na mini-message ko si Joy checking if she's working or not kasi magmi-meet kami. So, day off niya today and dapat sana pupunta kami ng Garden City first kasi pipick upin natin yung bagong glasses ni Mommy kasi ready na daw, remember last time?
What?
Ala ka! Ala ka, ala. Uy, ka na ba kayo magbasa na? Oh no. Mabasa na?
I'm saying, what's Joanne doing?
Joanne?
Yeah.
Tita Joanne's working.
Where?
Somewhere. Ano? Celine is awake na. Nakatulog ang ating baby Celine, guys. So, thankfully, so walang iyak na nangyari papunta dito. So, Sunnybank Square, it's around 25 minutes drive for us. Kaya,
45.
ding ding! Dr. Hinox,
Ma, what's in here?
It's chocolate. So, nandito na daw si pinsan ko, si Anthony. So, Anthony will be here too. So, magla-lunch lang kami dito sa Sunnybank Market Square. I don't think nakakain na ako dito, guys. So, it's going to be really, really exciting. And, before kami pumunta dito, nag-stop muna ako dun sa isa kong kaibigan. So, remember na mention ko sa vlog ko before. So, may nakilala akong Pinay din na yung anak niya pumupunta sa the same kindi na pinupuntahan ni Ate Paris. So, nakita ko sa Facebook story niya the other night na may pinupost siyang pagkain. So, alam niyo naman ako, guys, kapag pagkaing Pinoy ay sobrang nag-heart-heart ang aking paningin. Kaya, minessage siya kaagad. Sabi ko, what is that? Kasi parang, it looks very familiar to me, pero hindi ko maalala yung name. And then, sabi niya, Munchkin yan, day. Yun bang parang sa Dunkin Donut na Munchkin, ganun. So, my God, yung heart ko ay umuolbo. Kasi sabi ko, nako, alam niyo naman ako, guys, kung nanonood kayo ng mga videos ko, kahit nung nasa Melbourne pa ako, regularly talaga, meron akong binibili ng mga pagkain Pinoy, yung mga kakanin. So, nag-order ako. Ito yung pinag-up ko. Tingnan nyo, guys, kumain ako while driving. Ayan, tingnan nyo. Oo. Ganyan siya kalaki. So, I think, ano pa ito? 2, 4, 6, 12 ba? Nakalimutan ko kung magkano, mukhang 14 or 15 pieces. Oh yeah, 15 pieces ata for $25. At ganito siya kalaki. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh my God! Sobrang sarap niya. Kumain na ako, guys. Kinain ko na yung dalawa while driving. Ayan.
Is it made of carrots?
No. That's chocolate now.
Orange chocolate?
Alam niyo ba, sabi ko, this brings back memory. High school memories. To be exact. Kasi ito yung inuutang ko before, guys. Nung high school ako, ito yung inuutang ko. Munchkin. So, I can't even remember kung nabayaran ko yun. So, shout out sa aking classmate na nagpautang ng Munchkin sa akin before. I'm sorry kung hindi ko nabayaran. Charis, hindi siya, binayaran ko naman siguro yun, guys. Oy.
My hairstyle is done.
But sobrang sarap niya. Bumabalik talaga, guys, yung mga alaala ko before. Nung nakain ko ulit. So, it's been, no exaggeration, parang, ilang years na ba hindi ako nakakain ng ganito? Isang dekada na ba? Maybe, isang dekada hindi ako nakakain ng ganito, guys. Sobrang saya lang na may mga tao na may skills talaga na gumawa ng mga ganito. Kasi ako, hindi ako biniyayaan ng skills sa mga pagluto-luto, guys, ng mga ganito. Normal food, Filipino food, I can cook, but yung mga baking, yung mga ganyan, wala talagang ability. Walang ability, mami. Anyways, we're going now, Lini! We're going now kasi naghihintay na sila. I might actually bring this one there. We'll see. Para matry din ng mga pinsan ko. Hi, Lini! Very excited lang, baby girl. Lalabas mo na ni mama ang pram, ha? Say hi, nak. Say hi. Wait, oh yes. How are you, tita and tito?
I'm inside, Mama.
Be careful there. Oh, no, Tito Anthony's here.
Mama.
Nana. What's this?
Hey there, how are you? Hello.
What's this?
How are you?
Tito Anthony. How are you, Anton?
Good there, how
Say
are
hi
you?
to my vlog.
Hello.
Gwapo ng pinsan ko, guys, ha?
I look like I just woke up.
It's okay. Why are you crying? It's Tito Anthony. We'll take the pram out, okay?
This has like the best food. Like you can get like
Yeah.
I can say.
Wellington barbecue. Yeah, it looks nice, guys.
I got seven.
So, this one, Anton?
Asian soup.
Seafood. Oh, seafood department.
Yes. And they have Billy stuff here. Billy products. So.
Yeah. See? Well, remember that, guys. So, galing kami doon. We haven't vlogged kasi alam nyo, ito ay nagpapakarga. Which way are we going, Anton? This way, yeah? They have a lot here, guys. It's very similar to Somerville, Springvale, and Footscray. Yung Asian shops na pinupuntahan natin sa Melbourne. So, I've never been here before. Well, I've been once, but that's about it. When we had the bubble tea, Anton.
That's right. Oh, I like this Vietnamese restaurant.
Yeah, Vietnamese. Yo. So many options, anak. Ate Paris, you're gonna eat? We're just doing a quick tour, guys, while waiting for Joy.
Waka waka.
Waka waka.
This place they have like home, like from my experience, they have like home style foods, like I don't know, lasagna and stuff, but like they kind of make it a restaurant kind of style.
Ah, there you go, guys. Asian fusion cuisine. Oh, there's more there. So we got Anthony before he goes to Melbourne. This is going to Melbourne soon, so we're spending time before he leaves us.
Oh, there.
We've got Dream Smiles, Orthodontics, Opto, Spot. So we're still waiting for Joy, guys. But Anthony said we can order this one now. What is this one, Anton?
It's a pork bun.
A pork bun.
Well, it's pan-fried one.
Yum! Ate Barry's eating it too. And Celine will as well. Ayan, appetizer lang to. Yeah.
You guys eat already?
Ow, ow. How are you?
Hi.
You can walk now.
Anak! Ay, nang! Let's get a joint! Ay, natakot na naman, oh.
A little bit. We're gonna eat together. What happened to your eye?
I don't know.
No, we're just...
Well, you should have a shower.
What are we eating?
Celine.
I just got something for the kids. It's okay. We're here now. Thai restaurant. Hi.
Hi, vlog.
Yeah, so we're deciding what to get. We're just gonna share, I think, para... Itong isa ay takot sa mga tao. Let's see what they have. Yes? What's wrong? What's wrong? Guys, palagi lang talaga silang ano guys. So,
Which one do you like?
oh wait, kapag nandun sila sa vlog ko guys, makikita niyo so sweet talaga. Sana all na lang talaga ako dito guys.
Yes, sana all.
Sana all. Learning? What is he learning? Yeah. This actually looks like very Chinese-y.
What are you guys getting?
Yeah?
It's really yummy. That's outside, yum.
Yeah. I don't think, do you think they have the somtam? You know, like the green papaya salad? We're done. Ay, hindi pa pala. Meron pa palang kumakain doon.
Everyone finished eating already.
The food was yum. Where's Joy? Ah, okay. Yes! And from here, we will just go get ice cream for other parents. Probably get bubble tea. And then we will drive to Garden City, guys. I'm gonna go pick up my
You're gonna film your hair
glasses.
too now?
And I think kids are also going. We're all going. How far is the Garden City from here?
10 minutes.
Right there.
10 minutes.
Oh, cool. Bring home? Bring house. Ate Parsa, gusto mo ng ice cream? Lily! What you doing, Lingling? What you doing, Lingling? Come on. What? Alam niyo ba nga ating baby Celine ay walking now? Very, very exciting. Medyo nahirapan siya kasi yung sapatos niya, guys. But without the shoes, she can walk. I'll actually insert some clips na nag-walk na baby Celine natin. Yay! Yay! Come! Baby girl! Lily! Mahilak na po na, Prince. After lunch, guys, dito kami sa Majesty. Just grabbing milk tea for everyone. Ano, nakaupo ako sa gilid kay ating baby girl. And they're ordering, Paris had ice cream na, oh. Look! Paris, go! Come down, naanak, be. Ano pa? Naanak, ka na. Ay, gosh! Kasi, awak na kawak. Abi! Ay, anak! Malimitan naman ako, eh.
What happened?
Wow!
A few moments later.
Time check, guys. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Nagkakapark lang namin. Kakababa ko lang ng pram. I know, she's very tired. It's really tired.
Call mo na ako, eh. Dami kayo.
Ate, we're here now.
Tired.
Tired? Na Tita Prince will carry you. Big muscles. Come on, we have to go. Celine's out already. Come on. Paris is tired. Here we are again. Tita Prince is carrying her, guys. Sleepy. First time in the history na wala ng energy ang ating Ate Paris. So we're here to pick up my glasses and we'll have a look around, spend more time. Yes, Anton?
Yes. Look around.
Look around, why not? Window shopping till we see something we like. And it's not window shopping anymore. It's shopping.
Shopping. True shopping.
Shopping. Okay, this way. Celine is asleep, guys, so it's easier.
How about this one? You don't like this? It's too deep? It's too deep?
Anak ko, don't eat that.
Huh?
Don't eat that one.
Why?
Might choke you.
Okay, that's
Is that the one you like, Lily? Ano na, balik na lang daw. Siya kwarta, dili ko yung kwarta. Your money not enough, nak? Hello. Lily.
Paris.
Lily.
Which one do you want?
Dua-dua pa siya. I'm having second thoughts. Show me?
How are you gonna pay for it?
She's really good. Like, even at home, she can see sunglasses. She
Yeah.
put it on. Like, yeah. She knows what's it for.
Okay. Show mommy.
Is that the one you like?
Show mommy.
Show me. Show me.
Or is this one? Which one? Which one's your size? Okay. You want both? Oh, this one? There you go. Which one is better? Oh, okay. She's trying it on.
Which one, anak?
Which one?
That one? That
That
one?
one? Oh, that one. You want this one?
Yeah. You're having a hard time there. Which one? That one? Show me. Hindi talaga siya makapag-decide. For you, anak. Bo! Bo! So which one? Now na niya. I'll just grab the two.
Grab both of them.
Yeah?
Oh, wait, ako.
Ling?
Hello, Nani. Oh,
You okay?
we're downstairs with you guys, but like, Nani? Can you hear me?
You can do it, Ling Ling. So it's a day after. Hindi na namin natapos yung vlog namin yesterday. Oh, gabi na kami nakauwi. Hindi nakapag-vlog si Mami. It's very tricky in the car. Hala na! Stand up, anak ko! Kapag ito ay umiiyak. Call her, nak. So it is 3 o'clock in the afternoon now. And we are going to the post office. And maybe a quick visit to the shop kung hindi pa too late. See, ito yung sinasabi ko kahapon, guys. So she just started walking. Actually started last week. Ay, ate! Oh, ate! She will walk by herself. Come on! So last week, paano muna yung 2 steps, ganun. Tapos medyo malayo na yung nalalakad niya. Awu! Awu! Ado! Are you walking now, big girl? Huh? Can you dance now too? Dance now. Teach you how to dance now. When you're running. What was anak? Dance. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Ang ating Ate Paris, nagpa-curl pa yan siya ng hair niya, guys. Sabi niya, beautiful daw siya pag-curl ang kanyang hair. Ayan. I curled it little bit lang. Ay, shush, Carlo! Give Ate Paris a kiss? Give Ate Paris a kiss? Ay, shush! Come na. Inon ko lang yung sasakyan guys, medyo mainit pa. This way. Come this way. Si Daddy Mike. Where's Daddy Mike na? Where's Daddy? Where? Office. Why is Daddy working? Oh. Get money for food. And for drinks. Shush! Slow down now, slow down now. She can't walk as fast as you, ate. Slow down. There you go. Let her go. She can walk now by herself. Come on. Oh, yes! Good girl. Woohoo! Bundak ng lubot. So it's nearly 6:30 ata ngayon ng gabi guys. Dito kami sa Sunnybank. Pinick up namin si Daddy Mike. And dito kami sa The Real Taste of Korea.
Park now.
What are you eating? So ito yung tinatawag nila na mozzarella hotdog.
Falling off.
Tignan nyo guys.
Oh no, it's falling off. It's falling
Punong-puno
off.
ng mozzarella cheese. Oh,
Mommy,
yummy.
mine's falling off.
This is very unhealthy.
I was up to there before and now it's going down.
Oh no! Hold it properly. And then what kind of shake you got there, Paris?
Strawberry. I guess I'll just eat it like this.
Okay. And I've got coconut
And I took it
smoothie.
off here.
Okay, just put it there. Nakatulog kasi yan siya sa sasakyan, guys. Tignan nyo ang kanyang mata. Very tired pa nga yan. So, Daddy Mike, kakarating nga lang. Tignan nyo, dito ang kanyang bag. Ito, CELINE. Naglakad sila. Bibili daw siya ng takeaway food for him as well. Yeah, let's try this. Time check tayo, guys. It's 9:41 na ng gabi. Baby CELINE is now sleeping. Ang ating Ate Paris ay andyan pa, naglalaro pa. So, papakita ko lang yung glasses na pinick up ko kahapon from Oscar Wiley. So, ito sila. Ito yung ginagamit ko guys ngayon ay yung old glasses ko pa rin kasi hindi naman sobrang malaki yung diferensya nila. This, I can still see using my old glasses. Pero, ito yung una. Ayan. I just wanted to have a new pair of glasses kaya nagpa-check ako ulit. We'll see. Ayan. But this one, sobrang sharp. Yung diferensya lang talaga nila is sobrang sharp nito guys. Obviously, ito na yung bagong ng mata ko. Sobrang nice guys. Parang new world kapag bago yung glasses mo. So, ito yung pinili ko kasi meron silang yung nose pad dito. Although, yung pangalawa, wala siyang nose. Nose pads ba yun? Kasi, gusto ko yung kulay niya. But, sa kulay na yun, parang pink siya, ay walang merong may nose pad. Kailangan ko yun. Pero sabi ko, since meron na naman akong isa na may nose pad, okay lang na ito siya, walang nose pad. So, this one. Alam niyo ba guys, hindi ko nakikita yung sarili ko sa screen. Very blurry. So, we'll see what this looks like. Ayan. Oh, diba? What do you think, guys? I like, ito yung sinasabi ko, guys. Medyo may pagka-pink yung kulay niya, pero wala siyang nose pad dito. So, maybe, madali siyang malaglag or something. But, yeah, at the moment, medyo kapit na kapit pa siya kasi bago pa siya eh. Pero, pag later on, pag on and off, magiging loose na yan siya. At yan yung mahirap pag walang nose pad. Tapos, hindi pa naman kataasan. Hindi naman mataas ang ating matangos ang ating ilong, guys. Wala talagang nagkikip. Ate, you okay there? Mata na si Nini na. So yeah, that's what it looks like. I think I really like it. What do you think, guys? What do you think of my glasses now? Good.
Let's see the other one.
I already showed the other one. Cute.
Show it again.
Show it again. Come. She wants to join. And kung man-notice nyo guys, very bright na yung lights natin dito sa kusina. Diba last time it was yellowish kasi warm white. Tapos pumunta ako ng Woolies, bumili ako ng bagong globe. And yeah, so white na siya guys ngayon. Very bright na. Ito yung gusto ko. Kasi klarong-klaro bakit yung yellow para tayong hinipa eh. This one?
That one.
No, that's my old one now. Look.
Can you try the other one again?
This one?
Yeah, is that your one too, ready?
Yeah. Ang dami ko ng glasses dito ah.
Yeah.
Which one do you like better?
I like this.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually like this one too. I actually find it cute, this one. Parang ano, pang bagets, no? Parang nababagets. Ewan ko, bagets pa or pang matanda. Feng kasi siya. Anyways, try natin ito muna ang ating suotin. So, kanina, nung umalis kami, pumunta kami ng post office. After sa post office, pumunta kami ng op shop. So, nag-ukay kami, guys.
And we went to see cottons.
That was yesterday, ano?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. And I'll just show you quickly kung ano yung napamili natin. First is this.
Did you buy that today?
Nung paalis na kami nito, guys, nakita ko lang siya nakahangba. Nung babayad na sana ako. So, it's a dress. Sobrang ganda ng kanyang print. I love the material. This is from Seed. And size 8.
Here.
And I got it for 15 bucks. Hindi siya mapoko. So, this looks nice. Thank you, te. Next one is this one. This is from Forever New. Oh, this one is for $18. Ayan. Nagustuhan ko kasi yung tweed, guys. Tapos yung ganitong botones. Parang Balmain.
Padang. And Prince.
Pataka na pa siya. Yung looks niya ba? Tapos meron pa siyang pa-slit ng konti dito, oh. Sa bongga. Pinili ko kasi. Nakita na.
I got this. I got clay. Clay.
Alam mo, sabi ni Daddy, maglilinis kami tonight. Pag natulog na yung mga kids daw.
Daddy's already asleep.
Yeah, I know, right? So Paris is still awake and Daddy's still asleep. So maybe it's just you and me who's gonna clean because he's sleeping.
Mommy.
Next one is for it's for Paris. Got it for $6, guys. Medyo malaki pa siya for 6 years old. This is also from Seed.
Mommy, can I not use that yet?
Yeah, you can. I guess you can pull it off. And then next one is for Celine.
Mommy.
So ayan.
Mommy.
Short siya ha.
I can help you clean.
Oh, thank you, sweetheart. I really appreciate that, my love. We'll put after Mama shows, we'll put this away and we can start cleaning, okay?
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Fun. How about you go to sleep na? Sleep naman. Nakatulog pala to siya sa sasakyan kanina, guys. Nang papunta kami ng Balimbang pick up ng tatay niya.
Mommy, can you sleep with me tonight?
Yeah. I'll read the story.
Who's going to sleep with me tonight?
Corella? The mama will read the story as always, okay?
Always at nighttime.
Yeah. So, ayan.
If I
Lagyan lang ito ng panloob.
fall asleep, you can't do it in the room.
That's right. I bought this one for Paris because
so-
it looks like very comfortable.
Can I only wear it? Can I only wear it?
Super nice.
Can I only wear it when it's nighttime?
No, you can wear it anytime.
And
But yeah, have to wash all of them. Anyways, that's about it, guys. Yan yung pamili namin. So, yeah, I'm gonna put this little girl to bed kasi anong oras na.
now I want to help you clean.
You want to help me clean? Okay. Thank you, my love. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching yesterday and today's video. So, yun, pinaghalo ko na lang. Minix ko na lang kasi I don't think I vlogged enough yesterday. Kasi nga, yun na nga, medyo tricky kahapon lumabas kami with 2 kids. But yeah, I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up na. And make sure to hit.
If I help you clean, we will do it quickly.
What is it?
If I clean with you, we will do it easier and it will be quickly.
Oh. Narinig niyo yun, guys. Pagtutulungan daw niya ako na maglinis. Mas mabilis daw tapos mas madali. Thank you, sweetheart. That's really sweet. Love you. Love you.
I'm a little bit scared of the
Give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up if you like it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. We hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can,
careful. Bye.
bye.
Is Lola Filma watching?
Yes, for sure. That's for sure. You say hi, Lola Vilma.
Hi, Lola Filma.
What's your message for Lola Vilma?
Dear love.
Dear love?
Dear love.
What do you want to say to Lola Vilma if Lola Vilma is watching?
Dear love, Lola, Filma. And we're coming to the Philippines soon. And I'm so excited
Aww. So excited?
to see Kaka. And I made some present for her.
That's good, sweetie. Such a sweet girl. Bye-bye na. Bye, guys.
Mwah.